Write your script, pick your library, choose an aesthetic, and let the tool handle the heavy lifting for you. But before I show you 3 specific videos I built for clients using Vizard, let me rewind and explain from the very beginning. Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brittany, and this is AI content step by step, where we turn long videos into viral, snackable clips. Today's episode ties everything together, from your business idea and website to the lead magnet and automated follow-up funnels. If you missed the earlier videos in this series, make sure to go back because you will need that context to succeed here. We have already mapped your business idea and set up your systems, so now we are focused on driving traffic using short-form social clips. Think of this series as a free paid course complete with a workbook full of viral script starters and ChatGPT prompts. You can find all those resources, checklists, and the exact hooks I use by clicking the link in the description. Lead generation is the single toughest hurdle for most online businesses, regardless of how good your product is. Short clips are the most efficient way to capture eyeballs, but creating them manually one by one is incredibly tedious work. That is exactly where repurposing tools like Vizard come in to help you batch, test, and scale without losing your creativity. One thing that top creators do is repeat their success, which means finding formats that work and then remixing them constantly. We are now in the experimentation phase, so brainstorm a few repeatable formats that you can remix over and over again. Since these clips are machine-assisted, you have to be clever about storytelling so the work feels human and addictive. Also, do not worry about the people who hate AI content because negative comments actually help increase your engagement and reach. I am going to show you 3 types of short clips I made for my clients, starting with a simple sleep ASMR micro clip. I pulled a wellness podcast episode and turned one whispery anecdote into a 25-second ASMR-style reel that invites comments. With Vizard, I simply uploaded the podcast, told it to find intimate moments, and it auto-sliced the best bite without manual scrubbing. My second example is a missed call problem for a small business, which I created by clipping a micro-skit from a webinar. This clip shows the friction customers feel when businesses miss quick chances, and it acts as perfect social proof. Vizard helped me create several variations with different crops and voice styles so we could A/B test which tone worked best. My third example is an AI actor persona where I took an interview and turned a funny bite into a meta character clip. It is meta, funny, and positions the service without sounding like a desperate sales ad. For a bonus, I also created a real estate quick list by ripping a house tour video into a 20-second listing highlight. Vizard grabbed the visual highlights like kitchen shots and curb appeal and synced a best clip to the caption. What I love is that Vizard finds the viral moments you might miss editing manually and gives you multiples to test quickly. Instead of spending 2 hours per clip, you can crank out a whole month of content in just a single day. Let us get practical with 6 things you should apply, starting with the hook. Your first 2 words have to stop the scroll. Number 2, deliver value. Every clip should entertain, teach, or do both, and Vizard's auto-edit picks those value-dense moments. Number 3, verbally prompt engagement. Don't just say comment below. Ask them to tag a friend or share a specific story. Number 4, ask for follows by giving a reason, such as following for quick clips that turn your webinars into paid clients. Number 5, offer the freebie in the caption, not the clip, to avoid looking like a spammy commercial in your main content. Number 6, embrace the haters because a few people calling out AI actually increases your reach and algorithm performance. Vizard combines automated viral clip selection, built-in scheduling, and a content calendar to manage everything across platforms. That combination saves money and sanity, so you no longer have to pay huge fees for UGC videos or complex editing suites. Don't misunderstand, Vizard is not magic. You still need good source material and smart concepts to make it work. Where should you post? I recommend focusing on 2 platforms, specifically YouTube and Instagram, to maximize your reach. Finally, track everything, and in my next video I will walk you through analytics to see which formats to double down on. Thanks for sticking with this walkthrough, and if you found it useful, hit that like button and drop a comment below. I'll be taking a short break to let these clips marinate, then I'll return with real-time results and revenue reports. See you next time.